the little Renault Clio 197, so 200 horsepower, road tyres. We've got the data logger on the go, and yeah, looking forward to showing you how to go around Donington Park. We're on the national circuit, so I'll be talking all the way through, telling you exactly where I'm positioning the car, why I'm doing it. Remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. Enjoy the video. So, unfortunately, something happened this morning and the starter motor packed in. Come on, Vincent, push! Good job, good job. Right, seatbelt. Right, so we're on board the mighty Renault Clio at Donington Park on the national circuit. So, just kiss the rev limiter. We're going to be making our way over to the left-hand side. The braking point is going to be just at the end of the green triangle, so hard on the brake, down 2 gears, late apex, just after this cone here. We've got a few cones on the outside. Be careful not to set off any of the track limits. There's sensors around this track, so if we go too wide on the exit, they'll ping you for it, and then basically you have to take a 20-minute break in the pit box. So just going flat through Craner curves, it's quite easy in this little car, and I just sailed straight past Old Hairpin, using all the track we can get away with. Nice and wide up here, just try and keep that minimum speed rolling. Heading up to Coppice on the breakdown 1 gear. Again, sailed past them. Oh no, way too wide, and possibly some track limits myself. Got a little Renault Clio behind us as well. So, heading over McLean's. So try and get out of the way of this dude in his Little Ginetta. Go on. Let's see, just gonna ease out a bit for him. Alright, let's get back in. Braked a little earlier than I anticipated. Really down the gears, we're using a bit more track limits, European rules for us today. So to try and get a tow and see if we can keep up with this little thing. Come on, Wallace, let's see what you got. Oh, he's got a little bit more acceleration than we have. So you're going to stay nice and wide at the start of the Craner curves. We're going to miss the first curve, and we're going to get to the end of the second curve. So then that puts us in the correct position. But at the bottom here, we want to stay over to the left as much as we can. Hit the brakes, down a gear again. Aim nicely to the inside green, maximising the track. Just kiss the green on the exit there. We've got yellow lights, so just got to be aware what might be around the corner. Hopefully it's cleared up already. Looking like it is. Braking at the end of the black tarmac there, got it turned in, looking ahead. There's a slow car coming, so hopefully it doesn't get in the way too much. A little brake, down a gear, over the inside, feel a little bit of a bump, all clear. There we go, come on, you can go past. There we go. We'll go past instead. We managed to keep the speed rolling. Not quite sure what's happening there. So we're going to be braking just at the end of this building, down, get it turned in, over the curve, back around. Now we're going to go for one more lap. Let's see what she's got. So we did a 1:29 flat, car coming out of the pit side. There we go, he's waiting. Bring it down. So just get it turned in again, late apex, maximising all the track. Getting to the end of the curve, stay in the middle, hover around, looking for the second curve, getting to the end of the second curve before we turn in for the second part of Craners, heading towards Old Hairpin, braking a straight line, down 1, down 2, get it rotated, squeeze it over, maximising, get to the end of the tarmac there, just kiss the limiter. Not looking so fast on this lap. must have lost a bit at the start. Anyway, getting it turned back to the end of the curb. Get it rotated again. Little dab on the brake. Maximising the track up to full gear. Braking. It's a slight light brake here because you want to carry as much speed as you can, so you don't have to get on the power and push you out too wide here. So we've got a little car behind us again. Quite a good race this. We'll let him pass. Let's go for another lap. Come on. They've got a quicker gear shift than us. Might have helped if I didn't hit the limiter. Yeah, it's definitely quicker mid-corner. That's where that little car's getting away from us. And he might be able to sneak past the car in front, or he might trip him up again like got tripped up earlier. Yeah, so we're gonna position ourselves and make sure we get the run. Now, because we haven't got the power or the fast gear shift like these guys have, there we go, let's squeeze through. Actually, it's quite evenly matched. The advantage of having a rear wheel drive car, you can get on the power and the thing sits, whereas we understeer. Wide, we're on a little bit of the dirty stuff here. And he's gone. Look how far he's gone just in one corner. You're very quiet. Huh? You're very quiet.
Trying to watch you.
There we go, that's a few laps completed around Donington Park National. If you liked it, press the like button, share and subscribe it, leave a comment, and any questions and I'll be happy to get back to you. Hope you've enjoyed it and looking forward to doing my next video soon.
How much do they weigh?
900 kilos, and the juniors have maybe 120 horsepower. Maybe it's closer to 100, and then the senior or the GT5 has slick tyres and I think 150 horsepower. So obviously it just corners better. Actually it makes it more stable as well. The junior cars are really fun to drive. They move loads on the brakes.
And are they normal 6 gearbox? 6 gears?
Yeah, sequential.
Sequential.
Yeah, so for them they just have to lift like a motorbike. They preload, they can pull the gear stick, and as soon as you lift it pops into gear.
Oh, okay.
And this is where we find out that I forgot to press record.
Did you?
No, I don't know. But knowing my luck.
I think it's quite fascinating how you can talk like all this bull driving.
Professional PSer.
Yeah, but like constantly talking.
That's good. That's still recording.